Automatic laminated glass cutting machine. Included sections 1 glass loading, sections 2 laminated glass cutting, sections 3 glass positioning and glass unloading. Cutting thickness 3+3 to 88mm laminated glass. Film thickness 0.38 to 1.5 to millimeters PVB EVA. Taiwan Airtac solenoid valve and air cylinder. High precision square guides. High precision rack and pinion. Yaskawa servo motors. Max cutting size 3660 by 2600 millimeters. Cutting head lifetime 15,000 meters. Min cutting size 200 by 200 millimeters. Japan SMC proportional valve. Germany Bolhe cutter wheel. French Schneider low voltage electrical parts. Heating tube 5,000 hours lifetime.